The slow-motion squat builds stronger bones and muscle after 50. As we age, maintaining muscle strength and bone health becomes increasingly important, especially after the age of 50. One exercise that fitness experts often recommend is the slow-motion squat, a simple yet highly effective movement that can be done almost anywhere without equipment. Unlike regular squats, this variation focuses on slow and controlled movements, which increase muscle engagement and place healthy stress on the bones. This helps strengthen the legs, hips, glutes, and core, while also supporting bone density, balance, and stability. Slow-motion squats may reduce the risk of falls, improve mobility, and make everyday activities, such as walking, climbing stairs, and standing up from a chair easier. Beginners can start with a few repetitions and gradually increase as strength improves. When combined with a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and proper recovery, this exercise can be a valuable addition to a fitness routine for adults over 50 who want to stay active, strong, and independent for years to come. Follow the Fitness Idea for more simple fitness tips and healthy aging advice.